Hiya, this is a quick demonstration of the Squarespace Directory Plugin. And here you can see the plugin, it's sort of set like a banner. We have a search ability, we also have filter by category, and we have the sort from A to Z or Z to A. You can also see the posts below, and these are set with their own style settings. So this doesn't use Squarespace native blog settings, this replaces that. And also it only uses the categories. So in this instance, we're not using tags, we're only pulling in the Squarespace blog categories for this particular filtering system. And the reasons you might want to use this, it's great for showing profiles of different people or team members. It's a really good kind of directory searchability for things like locations, or events. So it's really versatile. It can be used for lots of different things, and as well it can just simply be used to filter your blog. So I'm just going to show you quickly how it works. For this, every post is just a kind of template at the moment, so I'm just going to search the word 6. And there we go. So that's how the search works. It pulls in words from the title only, so it won't pull anything from the excerpt. It's only by title, that search function. And then if we're wanting to select a filter, as you can see, anything that has the category under this particular name will appear, and you can select multiple categories as well. And then to just reset that, you would just select all. Then we have A to Z, so that just changes the titles from A to Z or Z to A. So yeah, it's very simple to use. It's a really good plugin to help accessibility, to help people navigate your site better. It doesn't take long to set up. There is literally just 2 steps. So if you are to download the plugin, you would kind of get this 2 kind of code files. So you'd have a CSS and a Java, and you'd have an instruction manual. And in the manual, it would just literally take you step by step. So the first step would be to add the JavaScript to the page header code injection, and that's to your specific blog page. So this isn't going to be added to the footer or the header code on your website. It's going to be added to the specific blog page, which is under settings. And the reason for this is because you might only want a directory on one blog. You might have multiple blogs on your website. And for this instance, you may just want this plugin to work on one page. So that's where you would add the JavaScript. And then the second step would be to add the CSS. And here is the kind of fun stuff where you can change things like the background color, the button colors and shapes, sizing, all of that lovely branded stuff. And that belongs in the CSS. So yeah, it'll probably take a couple of minutes to set up, just to kind of get it to what you would like it to be, to make it fit your brand and style. You can also in the CSS change the shape of these images. So if you want a more square image or a more widescreen image, you can change that in the CSS as well. It works great on a mobile. It has a stacked filter system. So these areas are just simply stacked on a mobile, which is really easy for accessibility. And also you do have the option to change the colors of the category tags within the posts here. You can also remove those if you don't want them. So that's it really. It's really easy to use, great plugin, again, very versatile, very flexible. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks guys.